If speed, productivity and performance are top of your list, the Haas super speed machines are exactly what you need. Today in this video we're going to look at the VF-4SS and VF-2SSYT HSE machines. Two machines are designed for maximum flexibility and minimise cycle times. While this walk around focused on the VF-4SS, all the features you see are the same on the VF-2SSYT. Both machines are part of the Haas Super Speed HSE range, offering exceptional speed, productivity and reliability for a wide range of machining applications. At the heart of both machines is a 12,000 RPM, 30 horsepower inline spindle drive that delivers excellent cutting performance and impeccable surface finishes. Super speed machines are built for maximum productivity. Rapid traverse rates of up to 35.6 metres a minute, together with 30+1 side mount tool changer, help you produce more parts in less time. The HSE package brings together the most popular productivity options and includes them as standard. From through spindle coolant and wireless intuitive probing to high-speed machining and fourth axis ready, all designed to help you get more from your machine day one. The VF-2SSYT is ideal where floor space is at a premium, offering travels of 762 by 508 by 508 with a compact footprint. If you need more capacity, the VF-4SS increases the work envelope to 1270 by 508 by 635, making it ideal for larger components, multiple part fixtures and higher volume production. Both machines feature the latest Haas control with a large touchscreen 19-inch display and productivity features including Haas Drop wireless transfer, Haas Connect remote monitoring and advanced tool management, along with dynamic work offsets and tool center point control. Everything is designed to make setup and day-to-day operation simple and efficient. Whether you're machining one-off components or high-volume production runs, the HSE machines combine speed, accuracy and outstanding value in one complete package. Both machines are currently in stock and available for a faster delivery than you might think. To arrange a demo or to discuss your needs, please get in touch with the Haas UK team and we're here to help.